The Calorimetry Interactive Calculator solves heat transfer problems using the fundamental equation Q equals mc delta T. Let's explore the interface. First, you'll see the Calculation Mode drop-down menu with 6 options. Calculate heat transfer, Q. Calculate specific heat capacity, C. Calculate mass, M. Calculate temperature change, delta T. Calculate final temperature, T_F, and calculate mixing temperature for 2 substances. For this demonstration, I've selected Calculate Heat Transfer Q. The input fields vary based on your calculation mode. For heat transfer calculations, you'll enter mass in kilograms, specific heat capacity in joules per kilogram Kelvin, and temperature change, delta T, in Kelvin or Celsius. When calculating final temperature, you'll also see initial temperature in Celsius. For mixing calculations, additional fields appear: mass 1, specific heat 1, temperature 1, mass 2, specific heat 2, and temperature 2. After entering your values and clicking Calculate, the results appear below. The calculator displays your primary result prominently, along with secondary calculations that provide additional context. The output includes unit conversions and related thermal properties, helping you verify your calculations and understand the complete thermal picture of your system. Find the link in the description below.